When you buy a LifeStraw product, the package says that a child in need receives a year of safe water because of your purchase. It's so much more than just words on a box. At LifeStraw, we believe safe water is a basic human right. Since 2014, we've provided over 11 million children with a year of safe drinking water, and this is the start of something much bigger. Our team of 40+ local Kenyan staff provides hands-on education, training, and year-round support to ensure lasting impact. And they don't just teach, they high-five, they play and dance. Because learning about safe water should be fun. Clean water means fewer illnesses, fewer missed school days, and more opportunities for kids to thrive. This is how LifeStraw creates lasting, sustainable change. And it's all possible because of you. Thank you for being part of our mission. Support the LifeStraw Give Back program and help change lives with safe water. This is what real impact looks like.